Hello, dear friends. How are you all? Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to get auto velocity in your video using CapCut. At first, you have to open your CapCut app. Select New Project. Select a video and then add it. Now, mute your audio. You can add audio by simply clicking on the Add Audio option. Click on the sounds. You can add audio from your device or from the recommended option. Add an audio, then go back, go on the Edit option. Now go to the Style option. Now go to the Video Effects option. Here you can see there is an option of auto velocity. Click on that option. It will generate the auto velocity. It shouldn't take a while, just a little bit. See, it's done. You can adjust by clicking on the Adjust option. You can add more velocity to this video. You can increase its intensity or decrease. See? Well, now it's generating again. Just wait a little bit. Now done. Now just simply export it. That's it for today, guys. Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.